REITs offer a unique way to invest in real estate. REITs are companies that own, operate, or finance income-producing real estate properties. REITs allow individual investors to access the real estate market without directly owning properties. Investors buy shares of REITs, which use the funds to acquire and manage real estate assets. REITs are legally required to distribute at least 90% of their taxable income as dividends. Equity REITs own and manage properties like office buildings, shopping malls, and apartments. Mortgage REITs focus on financing real estate through mortgages and mortgage-backed securities. Publicly traded REITs are listed on stock exchanges, offering liquidity and transparency. Non-traded and private REITs are not listed on exchanges and may have higher fees. REITs offer benefits like high dividend yields, diversification, and inflation hedging. Risks of REITs include market volatility, business risks, and fees and taxes. REITs provide a unique way to invest in real estate without the hassle of property ownership. Diversifying your portfolio with REITs can potentially enhance your overall investment strategy.